here's what I think about this USB-C hub that I have received. And this is the Glomtheia, if I pronounce it right. So I really like how compact and lightweight it is, but it still gives me all the ports I need. So USB, HDMI, and card reader slots, as you can see. So it's perfect when I'm working on my laptop, at home or on the go, wherever I go. So setup is easy, super easy. Just plug and play, and the connection stays stable without lag. So the braided cable also feels durable. Like this, look. It is really durable, not flimsy. So overall, it's a great all-in-one adapter. So if you need more ports without carrying bulky equipment, this is really perfect.